अगर आपने इनवर्स ट्रिग्नोमेट्री को अच्छे से समझा होगा तो JEE 25 का ये क्वेश्चन आपसे लेस देन अ मिनट में सॉल्व हो सकता है। क्वेश्चन में y इक्वल्स टू cos ऑफ पाई बाय 3 प्लस cos इनवर्स दिया है और सॉल्व करना है हमें। इसके लिए क्या वैल्यू मिलेंगी? तो देखिए cos इनवर्स के लिए मैं एक एंगल पुट कर देती हूँ, लेट्स से थीटा। cos इनवर्स x/2 is equals to theta, so that we can write cos theta is equals to x/2. Now from right angle triangle we can find value for sin theta, and which will be equals to under root 4 minus x square by 2. Now take this cos theta, cos, and in bracket this is expression, so cos of pi by 3 plus cos inverse x/2 is equals to y. Now from cos a plus b से इसे expand करते हैं, we will get cos of pi by 3 into cos theta minus sin pi by 3 into sin theta is equals to y. Now we have value for cos theta. We know cos pi by 3, sin pi by 3, and we have value for sin theta. So let's put this value into y is equals to cos pi by 3 is 1/2 into, and cos theta is x/2 minus sin theta is 4 minus x square by 2, and sin pi by 3 is root 3/2. Now y is equals to 2. Y is equals to x in half into x/2 is x into 1/4 minus, there is also 1/4 into root 3 अंदर जाके 9, root 3 into this expression 12 minus 3x square. Now take 1/4 common and multiply here, then 4y is equals to x minus under root 12 minus 3x square. Now 12 minus 3x square is equals to x minus 4y. Then by taking square root from both sides, we will get 12 minus 3x square is equals to x square minus 8xy plus 16y square. Now shift minus 3x square here, we will get 12 is equals to x square plus 4x square minus 8xy plus 16y cube, 16y square. Dividing both sides from 4, we will get 3 is equals to 3 is equals to x square minus 2xy plus y square plus 3y square. Now 3 is equals to, this is expansion of x minus y bracket square, x minus y bracket square plus 3y square. And we can see in the equation we have to find x minus y bracket square plus 3y square, and this is also equals to x minus y bracket square plus 3y square, which is equals to 3. So this is our last answer. Thank you. Bye bye.